Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back with me, Nini Yustiana, in our English class. Today, in this lovely occasion, we are going to explore review text. Have you ever read a review of a movie before you watching it? Have you ever read a book before you buy it? Or have you even read a review of a product before you buy that product? Okay, so now we are going to talk about review. If you want to buy something, if you want to read something, and if you want to watch something, it's usually you will see the review first. So, what is review text?
Review text is a type of writing that provides an evaluation, critique, or assessment of a product, performance, or work of art such as books, film, music albums, or other form of creative content. The primary goal of a review text is to inform the reader about the strengths and weaknesses of the subject being reviewed, help them decide whether or not to engage with it. The purpose of review text, the first, is to assess and provide opinions on the quality of a work and to guide potential readers, viewers, or listeners in making informed choices. The structure of review text, the first one is orientation. Introduce the subject being reviewed, providing basic information like the title, creator, and type of work. Evaluation, offer a general judgment or rating of the work, giving a brief overview of the strengths and weaknesses. Third, interpretation provides a deeper analysis of specific elements such as plot, character, themes, or technical aspect, it depending on the type of work being reviewed, and the summary, the conclude with a final judgment or recommendation for the audience. Language feature that used in review text. First is using present tense. Review are often written in the present tense as they express the reviewer's current opinion of a work. Adjectives and adverbs used to describe and evaluate the quality of the work. Example, engaging, boring, brilliantly, and evaluative language. The expression like, I believe, in my opinion, it seems to indicate personal judgment. Now, let's see the example of review text. This is the review text about the movie entitled Twister. And it is begin with orientation. Twister 2024 is a thrilling disaster film directed by Joseph Kosinski, and it served a modern reboot of the 1996 classic Twister. Starring John David Washington and Florence Pugh, the movie brings a new generation of storm disaster into a world where climate change has intensified weather phenomena, creating events more destructive than ever. The evaluation. The film is visually stunning, with jaw-dropping special effects that make the tornadoes feel terrifying real. However, while the action sequences are impressive, the storyline feels somewhat predictable, relying heavily on the original film's part. Interpretation. The strongest aspect of Twister is its breathtaking visual effect, which are enhanced by cutting-edge CGI and partial effect to deliver some of the most realistic tornado sequences ever seen on screen. John David Washington delivered a solid performance as the fearless leader to the storm-chasing team, while Florence Pugh shines as a brilliant meteorologist. Unfortunately, the plot does little to break new ground, sticking closely to the familiar narrative of storms chasing, battling both future and personal conflict, the pacing is uneven at times, with long points of character development that slow the film between action and the summary. While Twister is an entertaining disaster movie with impressive visual and strong performances, it doesn't quite achieve the emotional depth or originality that could elevate it above its precedent. Nonetheless, fans of high-octane action and weather-related thrill will find much to enjoy. If you are looking for an exciting ride through the eye of the storm, Twister delivers.
Actually, review is a crucial role, has having a really crucial role for us for making a decision whether we are going to watch something, whether we are going to read or to buy something. And now we are going to discuss how to write a review text by ourselves. Let's get started.
First, start with an engagement introduction. Okay, grab the reader attention, mention the work, and give a brief overview. For example, if you wonder what if would be like to set the most dangerous storm on Earth. Second, provide a balanced overview. Summarize the plot or main idea, focus on the key aspect, and be objective. For example, the film follows a group of storm chasers and they try to capture data from unprecedented tornadoes with stunning visual but somewhat predictable character arc. Third, dive deeper with analysis. Explain why certain elements work or do not work. Use specific example and provide insightful observation. For example, while the special effects were groundbreaking, the character development lagged behind, leaving viewer disconnected from the emotional. Fourth, use engaging and clear language. Keep your tone conversational yet informative to maintain the reader's interest. Next, use descriptive and evaluative language to express opinion. Next, be concise and avoid repetition. For example, Florence Pugh's performance was electrifying, adding depth to a film driven by non-stop action. Fifth, conclude with a strong opinion. Sum up your thought, offering a final judgment or recommendation, and then let the reader know if you recommend the work or not, and to whom it might be appeal. 6. Be honest and fair. Always provides a balanced perspective, highlighting both strengths and weaknesses, give credibility, and make sure your opinions are well reasoned, not just personal preference without explanation. Now, this is the tips for writing. First, know your audience. Tailor your language and focus to match your reader interests, such as casual or etc. Second, avoid spoiler. If you're discussing an important plot point, use a spoiler warning. And third, be creative. Make the review fun to read by adding unique insight or humor where
I think that's all for now.
appropriate.
Happy learning. See you in the next video.
Appropriate.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Appropriate.